Let's explore PHP operators, focusing on increment and decrement operators. These operators are essential for modifying variable values in a concise way. There are two main types of increment and decrement operators: increment and decrement. The increment operator increases a variable's value by 1, while the decrement operator decreases it by 1. We use plus plus for increment and minus minus for decrement. First, let us understand the pre-increment operator. The syntax is plus plus variable. Here's an example. Variable x equals 5. Variable result equals plus plus variable x. In this case, x is increment to 6 before its value is assigned to result, so both x and result will be 6. Now let us take a look at the post-increment operator. The syntax is variable plus plus. Here's an example. Variable x equals 5. Variable result equals variable x plus plus. In this case, x's original value of 5 is assigned to result, and then x is increment. So result will be 5 and x will become 6. Decrement operators work similarly, but they subtract 1 from the variable. Pre-decrement, minus minus variable. For example, variable x equals 5. Variable result equals minus minus variable x. X becomes 4, and result is also 4. Post-decrement, variable minus minus. For example, variable x equals 5. Variable result equals variable x minus minus. X becomes 4, but result is 5. Here's a summary of the key differences. Pre-operators like plus plus x or minus minus x modify the variable first, and then return the new value. Post-operators like x plus plus or x minus minus return the current value first, and then modify the variable. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.